Welcome to this video on submitting a request to add a position and funding for one of your employees. If you want to request to add a new position and funding, you can initiate that request within OneUSG Connect's Manager Self-Service. Please remember, you are just initiating this additional position and funding request, not making a permanent change for the employee. For Manager Self-Service in OneUSG Connect, select the My Team tile. Locate the employee you want to request the position and funding for, and click their Action button, which is this green button next to their name. Click Position and Funding, and then click Submit Request to add position and funding. Here, make sure that the person you selected is listed on the Request Add Position and Funding page. Next, we need to update the effective date of this transaction. This date should be the first day of a future pay period. We'll select 12/17/17. Next, we need to enter the job code for this position. We will begin entering the job code for this example and select the appropriate new job code for this position. Once we tab out of the job code field, many of the fields will fill in. We'll leave official title and full-time, but we'll complete this field for a regular position. Then, we need to enter work location information. For department, we'll enter the beginning digits of the department ID and select our department from the list. Once we tab out of the field, the location field should fill in. We'll leave Reports to blank, since Derek will continue to report to us. It's optional to complete salary plan and salary grade. These settings are often unused, so we'll leave them blank. Some institutions use the budget amount field. This also is optional. We do need to indicate how the position is to be funded. You can add multiple funding codes and allocate a percentage for each one. For this example, we'll enter the beginning portion of the combo code and select the appropriate entry in the list. If you are unsure of what combination codes to select, check with your payroll department. This position's funding will be split 50-50 between this first combo code and the second one. We'll enter the beginning portion again and click the appropriate entry in the list. We'll tab out of the field to see the description, and we'll enter 50% here as well. And now we can proceed. Finally, we need to enter comments supporting the additional position and funding request. If you have supporting documentation for this request, click the Add Attachment button. Select My Device, and search for and select your document. Click Upload, and then click Done. And finally, we can click Submit. This page details the pending request along with the next approver in the chain. And that is how you can submit a request to add a position and funding in OneUSG Connect for one of your employees.